I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World. We're in Munich at IFAT in Sorga 2012. We're outside at the shredder demonstration plant. I'm with Jerome Perard from Caterpillar. Jerome's going to give us some expert commentary as we go around and see some of these machines in action. So Jerome, can you just give us a quick rundown of some of the machinery we can see here?
Yeah, so this demo is really focused on loading shredders, and so we exhibit several machine wheel excavator with MH version, means material handling version, and most of the time with either Sonneborgen or Caterpillar, we show how to load the shredder. We also exhibit one wheel loader and with a high lift version. So this machine allows the operator to load up to 5 meters with the item bucket as well. So it brings a lot of value because the customer can use a smaller machine but still have a certain reach with the machine 5 meters. Yeah, so that's an excavator, truck excavator, and the machine is shredding the wood, and to be able after that to load the shredder you have in front of us. So just to put the wood in several pieces,
so it's kind of
to make it easier. It's going to come into the shredder afterwards.
Okay, so it's bringing it down to a size that the shredder can handle.
So after that, the machine with orange peel grapple will handle the wood and load the shredder. So as you can see, that's to have a better overview of the situation. The operator have a hydraulic abrasier just to be above the floor around 4 or 5 meters, and it's easier for him to look at where he has to put the load in the shredder.
So I guess that improves safety as well.
Exactly.
So Jerome, this is where the shredded material is now being sorted.
Yeah, exactly. So you have the different size of particles, of wood particles going out, and you can also in some of the device having a sorting of magnetic material.
Okay.
Just to separate it from the wood. This one is only a shredder, so you can see that you can load the shredder with a big log, and at the end you do not really sort the material, you just have a shredded material, that's it.
So you would probably want a cleaner input to this machine.
But this one is only one unit, and the one before it was 2 separate units.
Right. So you could then use something like this to feed.
Exactly.
And is this machine also shredding the material at the back, or is it already shredded material coming in?
The material at the back is shredded.
Yeah.
And then you have, in fact, on the same trailer you have 2 different operations, shredding and sorting.
Shredding and sorting. So this machine is kind of combining the 2 functions of that into one trailer, but obviously looks like it's somewhat slower compared to the 2 machines. So is there a difference in these sorting machines as to the size of the shredded material that they would take?
And it depends also on the size of the drum, and that's really you can sort different size of wood.
So most of the sorting machines use a revolving drum as part of their sorting process.
Yeah, and this is quite popular in the sorting application, not only for the wood but also for the waste. We usually use a rotating drum to sort different material. We have after that a lot of other sorting devices, but the rotating drum is one of the most popular.
Yeah. I believe this machine here is equipped with a Caterpillar engine?
This one has a Cat engine, and we have 2 different units here. So one is one is sorting the wood, and the other one is sorting the stone. So with this configuration, with a sorting grapple, we cannot use a drop nose stick. We have a straight stick This machine can be used in several applications. Can be scrap, can be waste, can be wood application. So it's really dedicated to sorting or move material that have been you want to sort. So this is why you have this type of grapple. It's a very precise grapple, or you can pick out what you need and you can put it where you want. So in this case in the shredder, but it can be in a trailer, it can be in a conveyor belt, so it can be in a different place. So this one is the 938H unit equipped with the high lift. So, and the item bucket. With this one you can go up to 5 meters to load, in this case, shredder. So you can do more or less the same work as the Wax MH, but in this one you can take already the shredded material. So you can load the shredder, or the sorting device after that.
So with these kind of machines, Trent, do the operators need to be careful of what goes in? If, say, for example, big stones or rocks got in there, could that damage the machines?
Yeah, so if the machine is equipped with an orange peel grapple, so that means maybe the material have been sorted before, because with this type of equipment you cannot really pick out what you want.
Yeah.
So if really have to take care of the material you want to load, then he has to take the work tools we saw on the MC22, the sorting grapple, because with this one he can really decide which material you want to put in the shredder.
You can pick out individual parts.
Exactly. With an orange peel grapple like this one, you cannot choose what you want or pick out what you want.
So you
collect the material, you load, and dump the material in the shredder. You cannot do different. So that means usually the material you take has already been sorted.
So Jerome, we've been around here, we've seen a wide variety of shredding equipment, we've seen a range of loading equipment, we've seen different grapples and the different applications they can be used for. It's been a real insight into some of this equipment, and to see it in action has been certainly fascinating for me, and it's been a pleasure walking around with you to have a professional explanation.
Yeah, and we can see that we have very dedicated equipment, very dedicated work tools to meet the customer requirement for waste application, but also for industrial application.
Jerome, thanks a lot for your time. It's been a pleasure.
You're welcome.